How to completely uninstall AnyDesk from Windows. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Settings application. So use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open Settings. From the left hand side menu, go to Apps and go to Installed application. Now here you simply need to search for AnyDesk application. So at the top in the search box, simply type AnyDesk and shortly from the list AnyDesk will be categorized. Once you see the application's name, simply click on Uninstall. Once you do, there you will also see the option to delete all the datas. Simply choose that option and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.